What time do you usually wake up?
I typically wake up around 5 a.m.
What's the first thing you do in the morning?
I like to start my day with a quick shower to feel refreshed.
Do you have breakfast every day?
Yes, I make sure to have a nutritious breakfast every morning.
How do you commute to work or school?
I usually drive to work, but sometimes I take the bus if needed.
What's your favorite way to relax after a long day?
I enjoy reading a book or watching a movie to unwind.
What time do you usually have lunch?
I typically have lunch around 12:30 p.m.
How do you stay organized during the day?
I use a planner to keep track of my tasks and appointments.
Do you exercise regularly?
Yes, I try to work out at least 3 times a week.
What's your favorite type of exercise?
I enjoy going for a run or practicing yoga.
How do you handle stress?
I find that taking short breaks and deep breaths helps me manage stress.
What's your go-to morning beverage?
I usually start my day with a cup of coffee.
How long does it take you to get ready in the morning?
I can get ready in about 30 minutes.
Do you have any evening rituals?
Yes, I like to wind down by listening to music before bed.
What's your favorite type of cuisine?
I really enjoy Italian cuisine, especially pasta dishes.
How often do you cook at home?
I cook dinner at home about 4 times a week.
What's your preferred mode of communication with friends?
I usually text or call my friends to stay in touch.
How do you spend your weekends?
I like to explore new places or spend time outdoors on weekends.
Are you a morning person or a night owl?
I'm more of a morning person. I feel most productive in the early hours.
Question: What's your favorite season?
I love autumn because of the cool weather and vibrant colors.
How do you stay motivated throughout the day?
Setting small goals and taking breaks helps me stay motivated.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog named Maximum.
What's your favorite book or author?
I really enjoy reading books by favorite author.
How do you handle time management?
I prioritize tasks and create a schedule to manage my time effectively.
Do you have any hobbies?
I enjoy painting and playing the guitar in my free time.
How do you keep your workspace organized?
I make sure to declutter and organize my workspace regularly.
How do you stay organized with your finances?
I use budgeting apps and regularly review my expenses to stay on track.
What's your favorite type of cuisine to cook at home?
I enjoy making favorite cuisine dishes. They're fun and delicious.
How do you handle time off or vacations?
I like to plan ahead and make the most of my time off by exploring new places.
Are you a morning shower person or an evening shower person?
I prefer morning showers to help wake me up and start the day fresh.
How do you stay creative in your daily life?
Find inspiration in everyday experiences and try to incorporate creativity into tasks.
Do you have any favorite apps that help you in your daily routine?
I use favorite apps to stay organized, productive, and entertained.
What's your favorite type of dessert?
I have a sweet tooth, and I love indulging in favorite dessert.
How do you manage stress at work or during busy periods?
I prioritize tasks, take short breaks, and practice mindfulness to manage work stress.
What's your favorite form of relaxation?
I find relaxation in activities like reading, listening to music, or taking a walk.
How do you stay connected with friends who live far away?
Video calls and messaging apps help me stay in touch with friends across the miles.
Do you have any morning rituals that set a positive tone for your day?
I start my day with gratitude by reflecting on positive aspects of life.
How do you stay environmentally conscious in your daily life?
I try to reduce waste by recycling, using reusable items, and being mindful of energy consumption.
What's your favorite way to spend quality time with family?
Family game nights or shared meals are special moments for us.
Do you have a favorite type of exercise that doesn't feel like a workout?
I enjoy dancing. It's a fun way to stay active and lift my mood.
How do you handle busy mornings when you're short on time?
I prioritize essential tasks and streamline my morning routine to save time.